Looking for a new townhome with a first floor owner suite that's minutes from Mooresville? Hi, I'm Vince. Let me introduce you to the newest Ryan Homes community, Smith Village Townhomes. This community will offer townhomes with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. You'll have a 1-car garage for parking and storage and an option to have a covered porch. One of the best parts of owning a new home is that you get to customize it to suit your style. We have made it easy for you with our professionally designed finishes. You can select your cabinets, countertops, flooring, and more. Just think, you can make your design dreams a reality. Not only will you love your new home, but the community you live in. Stroll the sidewalk-lined streets and meet your neighbors at the future pool and cabana. Now, what about location? Smith Village Townhomes may be in a peaceful setting, but you'll still be close to everything you need. With the I-77 just 1 mile away, it's a breeze to get to where you want to go. Plus, you'll be close to Mooresville and Huntersville for everything you need. Nearby, you will find plenty of local shopping and dining options. You can even visit the farmers market. Head over to Lake Norman State Park, just 8 miles away from home, to enjoy the lake on the weekends. So what do you think? If you're ready to learn more about Smith Village Townhomes, schedule a visit to come see us. I can't wait to meet you.